Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Infinity Nikki game on your PC. I will show you guys the two ways to download and install this game on your PC. The first way is to open up your Android browser and just search for the BlueStacks. Now once you search for this, you will see the first website of bluestack.com on the first. So just open up this first website, and guys, here you will see the option to download the BlueStacks. Just click on this option of download BlueStacks and just download the installer of BlueStacks and just install it on your PC. Guys, this is very simple and easy. After that, open up the BlueStacks. Then just click on the system apps you are seeing here. You will see the Play Store. So just open up this Play Store, just sign into your account. Now here just click on the search box and just click on the top search box and just type here the game, which is the Infinity Nikki. And once you search for it, you will see the first game. So just click on that, then just click on this option of play or install. And that's how you can download and install Infinity Nikki game. Now the second way to download and install this game is just search for the Epic Games. Now you will see the first website of epicgames.com. So just open up this first website. Guys, here you will see the option to download it on the right hand top. So just click on this option of download and just download and install the Epic Games on your PC. Guys, this is very simple and easy. Then just go to your Windows search and just type here the Epic Games. Once you search for it, you will see the Epic Games launcher on the first, so just open it. Guys, once you open up the Epic Games on the right hand side, you will find the Infinity Nikki game. Now, in case if you don't find it, you have to simply search for this game. Just click on the top search box and just type here the Infinity Nikki game. Guys, once you type this game will appear on the top. So just open up this Infinity Nikki game. Guys, once you open it, now here, just scroll down, you will see the option of get. So just click on this option of get. Now this game will add to your library of your Epic game. Just check mark this box and just click on this option of accept. Guys, as you can see, you will see this type of message like thanks for your order. Just click on this option of view in library. Now the Infinity Nikki game will add to your library of Steam. Just click on this option of install, and that's how you can download and install this game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, so please consider liking this video, and bye bye and take care.